Snoring occurs when your airways partially collapse, blocking airflow. To stop snoring, try these simple yet effective techniques. First, strengthen your airway muscles. Weak airway muscles can cause your airway to collapse during sleep. Next, sleep on your side. Stomach sleeping can cause your airway to collapse, leading to snoring. Another technique is to use a humidifier. Dry air can irritate your throat and nasal passages, causing discomfort and constriction. Maintain good sleep hygiene by avoiding heavy meals before bedtime. Eating a large meal close to bedtime can cause digestive discomfort and lead to snoring. To prevent snoring, try drinking more water. Dehydration can dry out your airway, causing congestion and constriction. For those who struggle to sleep on their side, try using a snore-reducing pillow. These pillows are designed to keep you sleeping on your side, preventing your airway from collapsing. Remember, quitting snoring takes time, so be patient. Noticeable results may take 2 to 4 weeks, but with consistent effort, you'll be breathing freely and sleeping soundly in no time. Combine these techniques with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle, and you'll be on your way to a snore-free sleep. Good night, sleep tight. Wake up feeling refreshed and revitalized. Remember to practice these techniques consistently for best results. Snoring is a sign that something is not quite right. Don't ignore it.